計画が勝手に連行しちゃって、どんな連行ですか、国際問題になってるんです今。サボイサイ事件ってご存知な、アメリカ人の方が福岡で。あれが発起になって、フランス大使館はじめ、アメリカ大使も12カ国が法務大臣のところに今、先週も言ってるんですよ。だからやめてください。警察がお父さんの子供に会いに来るときに、毎回日本の警察、これ世界中に流されてる。
とりあえず裁判では
裁判所は僕ら関係ありません。
Jack, please. Okay, please say why you come here. Or what?
Yes, my daughter is abducted since 2003. I haven't seen her since early 2004, and I'm gonna try today because it's her 10th birthday to bring some gifts.
What do you have?
Well, I've got a nice bag.
Can you see?
Of course. Yeah, first is her first fragrance for a girl.
Okay.
It's meant for very young girls, and I got a very cute bag and a cute umbrella with a nice baby duck head.
Okay.
So I think she will like.
Oh, looks good.
Usually the gifts and the letters are turned down or destroyed, so she doesn't receive much, unfortunately. When I come here, the police is called immediately. They shout and they make trouble, and the police ask me to leave. Even though I'm always very peaceful, I just ring the bell and ask to meet my daughter, but they behave in a very alienating way for a poor child, because the poor child associates, of course, the idea of a father's coming to a troublesome situation, and it's awful.
Okay, so how long have you been divorced?
We divorced end of 2003.
At that time, did you get any visitation right?
Yes.
Could you tell me about that?
I got a weekly visitation on the half school holidays, but unfortunately, just a few months later, the mother refused to respect her signature, her hanko, her name, and betrayed everything. And since then, I haven't had a chance to get anything.
Oh, okay. So, and also, please let me know about the current, situation with Japanese civil court, and also, with Mari-chan's case.
It's quite terrible. I was requested early summer to answer a questionnaire, which was supposed to be an investigation, but as a matter of fact, it was pure false accusations. And I answered politely to a Japanese court. I also mentioned that I couldn't appear during summer due to my father's terrible health situation, and I was also very far from Paris, but that I would come if we could have a hearing in September. Then I got no news until late October, and I heard that judgment had been done without my hearing, without any appearance of me as a father, early September, and that I would get probably the judgment documents a few months later, which is extremely shocking. As a matter of fact, the whole thing is a miscarriage of justice, because here fathers after divorce are completely disregarded by justice. They have zero right. The mothers can just abduct the children forever, and those poor kids are cut from their second parents with any kind of excuse like domestic violence and whatever, and all this with a terrible parental alienation for the poor children. So we face a state of emergency here, and we sincerely hope Diet members and government will take this issue most seriously. We've got something like 10,000 binational kids abducted, and something like 1 million Japanese kids abducted, which is unacceptable for a modern big country like Japan.
Okay, so Mashito-san, Jack?
Yes, I brought the paper so that my poor child can see her father will be always there and will always love her. And I'm going to put this in front of the gate, hoping she will see it. At the same time as I'm going to try to ring peacefully, I as always do, the intercom to try to give my letter,
and gift.
tegami card, and gifts to her.
Okay.
こうやってほら毎回来るから、これ全部ですね、警察庁と警視庁に言ってます。この間は警官が勝手に連行しちゃって、どんな連行です、国際問題になってるんです今。サボイサイ事件ってご存知な、アメリカ人の方が福岡で。あれが発起になって、フランス大使館はじめ、アメリカ大使も12カ国が法務大臣のところに今、先週も言ってるんですよ。だからやめてください。警察がお父さんの子供に会いに来るときに、毎回日本の警察、これ世界中に流されてる。
とりあえず裁判では
裁判所は僕ら関係ありません。お父さんは自分の子供だから来てるんですよ。
ですけどそういうふうに
裁判所って言ったら、裁判所って調停で
審理で調停が出てますよね。
で調停で合意して3ヶ月に3ヶ月で毎週会いますよ。調停合意してるんですよ。裁判所言ってたらそっちですよ。
裁判ではそういうふうなこと近づいちゃいけないとか、そういう話
なってないですね。この人がフランスにいる間に
審理の結果のもの
そんな結果なんてあなたまで見せる必要もありませんし、私たちは親が子供に会いに行って、日本の法律見せてください。じゃあ逆に親が子供に会っちゃいけないと法律見せてください。ないのに、そういうことでこんなにも、だから毎回これ世界中にこれ皆さん言われてくださいとかっていう件。はい。そうでしょ。はい。ないです。それにもともと奥さんと話し合いでちゃんと決まったことを奥さんが話し合いなかった
すいません申し訳ない
何ですか？
どこの誰さんとかっていうんで身分確認とかっていうのはさせていただいてるんですか皆さん？
まだしないですよ。
じゃあ確認させていただいてよろしいですか？
確認してどうするんですか？
いやどういった方が撮影してるのか全く関係ない方が撮影されてるんだったら問題ありますから確認させてください。
友人ですよ。